LeetCode problem number 3. Longest substring without repeating characters, solved in only 9 lines. Imagine a box waiting to be filled with unique strings. But before adding a string, we need to check if it's already in the box. If it is, we'll slice the box starting from the next index of that string. Don't worry, I'll show you how it works. First, we set max to 0, which will track the length of the longest substring with unique characters. The box starts empty. Now, let's loop through the string s and do 3 things. 1. Find and slice. We check if the character is already in the box and slice accordingly. 2. Insert the letter into the box. 3. Update max with the current length of the box. Okay, let's take the string pwwkew and start the loop. First, we encounter p. Since the box is empty, the find method returns -1. We add 1 to slice the box from index 0, then insert p and update max. Next is w. It's not in the box, so we slice from index 0 again, insert w and update max. Moving on to the second w. This time, find returns 1, so we add 1, then slice from index 2 to exclude the w at index 1. Then we add w and update max. Notice how max keeps track of the longest substring. Now we have k. It's not in the box, so we slice from find +1, which is 0, add k and update max. Next is e. Again, it's not in the box, so we slice from find +1, which is 0, add e and update max. Max has a new record. Finally, another w. Find returns 0, so we add 1 before slicing to exclude the w at index 0. We add w and update max. And that's how you solve